paper to basic digitization. When you do that, it enables companies to a next facet of possibilities. For example, Discover Dollar can work only if there is a certain amount of digitization.
Today, more companies are realizing the importance of adopting digital transformation and are implementing artificial intelligence in their workplace. First, we would like to know what digital transformation means from a finance technology perspective, and what makes your AI-driven Discover Dollar platform so powerful that makes global leading firms such as SAP, Target, and Spencer's choose Discover Dollar over the FinTech companies?
So there are two parts into the question, right? The digital transformation. So if I have to speak about the digital transformation, what we have seen is a lot of companies are in a different spectrum of digitization process. We have seen companies still being very manual, paper-based things, to companies who are even trying blockchain, right, which is the other spectrum of financial transformation. But it's very important you move from paper to basic digitization. When you do that, it enables companies to a next facet of possibilities. For example, Discover Dollar can work only if there is a certain amount of digitization possible, right? We have had customers who told, hey, we want to work with you, but we have all our data sitting in a paper documents. Can you help us do that? We told, I'm sorry, we can't do it because we can't do scan of manual data, right? So as long as you have a scan copy of that at least, or if you have a digital copies of that, is when our solution can sit on top of the existing digital framework what you have, and we can create value from that data. So having said that, we have also seen companies where they want to explore blockchain and other possible new age digital technologies along with us. That's what, there is a huge wide variety of spectrum, but it's the best time I can say in terms of what's the transformations are happening, and pandemic has just accelerated that. Coming to the second part of the question on why companies are choosing Discover Dollar over others, I would say Discover Dollar is quite unique in terms of concept. I can say we are pioneers in the world in the way how the business model has been created. Second, we are not exactly competing with other companies. We complement most of the digital transformation solutions, right? For example, we work with when we worked with ABN Web, earlier company which we were speaking about, there was Deloitte who was doing the digital transformation journey for their regular process. But we were able to come in and help was when you do a digital transformation, there can be potential change which can lead to process change, confusions, which can lead to financial loss as well. We were able to ensure that doesn't happen. When you're going through a financial transformation, when you're going through a mergers, when you're going through a system change, there is a potential increase of leakage possible. But having companies like Discover Dollar was ensuring that they are minimizing those losses and ensuring that transformation happens. On the other side, what you can also see is, if you want to, like for a company which has not even gone through the financial transformation, the digitization, RPA kind of a solutions, they can see if they not doing it, what's the cost of not doing it, what's the financial losses they may lead to. Working with company like Discover Dollar will help them to see how much money they're leaving on the table by not being efficient, right? That's primary ways why companies are coming to us, and SAP gave us a most innovative solution award in Orlando, Florida, and their flagship event, mainly because we were perfectly complementing their solution of the ERP. They could see that SAP was needing this natural extension what Discover Dollar is bringing, because their ERP starts from the structured data, whereas we were an extension which would connect unstructured data from different sources, which will feed the ERP system, which becomes all the more powerful because of our solution, right? Yeah.